So, hi guys. Ginawa nilang bahay yung yung balcony ko. So, dalawa yung yung ibon, two kinds of birds that are making their nest in my balcony. Ang isa is korokokok. Tawag din sa amin korokokok. At saka yung isa is, anong tawag dyan? Tamsi. So, yan. So, they like my balcony. So, dalawa. So, ito, yung isa nandun sa kamatis, yung yung nest na ginagawa ng tamsi. So, you see that? That's the tamsi na nagbi-build ng nest sa balcony ko. At saka yung, naman, dito naman yung isa. Na kind, oh my gosh, they like my balcony. I don't know why. Nafe-feel siguro nila na mabait ako. Yeah, ganon. So, I will open the window. Window ba yung door? So, yan. Umalis na sila kasi natakot. O, yun, isa. Pero ito, yung tamsi, hindi siya natatakot. Kung minsan nag-uusap kaming dalawa, Joe. Nag-uusap kami, hello! O, diba, babalik pa siya. Bumalik. Kung minsan we talk. So, yan. So, ito yung garden ko with kamatis and talbos ng kamote. I also have some bell pepper, pero ang liit-liit nila. So, yan. So, everything is well. As you can see, that's the sky. Yan, sa ibaba. So, we live sa third floor. So, yan. So, as you can see, maraming pula yung kamatis ko. Diba? Yan. Oh, it's very red. At saka ito yung yung nest of the tamsi. It's almost done. Ang daming kamatis hanggang doon. Saka ito yung talbos ng kamote ko. It's not that nice at the moment. Yan. And then, ang dami pang green na mga kamatis. Ang daming bunga. But you cannot really tell kasi green. So, there you go. And then dito, ang dami, yellow. Ang tagal mag-red. So, yan. That is my tomatoes. So, ang dami ng bunga. Nung maliit pa ako, yung in my younger years, may tanim yung yung nanay ko na kamatis sa bakuran namin. So, in the afternoon, they would our parents and my lola would always ask us to go to sleep during noon time, siesta. So, yung ginagawa ko, kasi ang tataas ng kamatis, I think I was like maybe 7 or 8 years old. Yung ginagawa ko, I was hiding. Nagtatago ako sa kamatisan ng nanay ko, and then I would go there inside and then eat the tomatoes. So, yan, and then hahanapin ako nila. Saan na ba yung si Marilu na yan? Si Nining, they call me Nining. So, where is she? And then, I'm there eating the tomatoes. So, ngayon, I have my own plant. Saka ang ganda niya kasi they are hanging. Diba? Look at that. You see, nagahang sila, nagdadangle yung yung tomatoes. Yan. Ang ganda. This one has a very thick, very fat yung vines niya. So, yan. Ang bango. At saka ito yung malnourished ko na na bell pepper without any flowers or anything. O, andyan na naman siya. O, diba? So, he's not afraid at all. Nandyan sa nest niya. And, andun siya, oh. I don't know if you can see it. Na, Yan siya. I don't have my glasses so I cannot really see. Yan. There he is. Oh no, she's a female actually. Yan. Natatakot siya. Hi! Hello! Then babalik na naman ulit. Hi! You can make your nest if you want. I'm not going to do anything to you. Hi! So yan, so we are friends. Yeah. So alis naman and then babalik naman siya ulit. So diba? So ito yung ano, let's continue. Ito yung bell pepper ko. So this is my bell pepper. As you can see, there's only one. Then yung iba is falling down. I hope this one would grow also. So maliit lang siya, but look at that. Meron akong bell pepper. At saka yung iba is not growing that well. I don't know why. Same lang naman yung aaruga ko. So yan. So you can see ang daming bunga. Oh. Ang dami ng bunga. Yan. And then John. See? It really looks nice. Na nasa taas siya and then nagda-dangle. So, napaka-red. So, I have to harvest them. Saka yung mga birds na nag-visit dito, they are not at all natitempt na kainin yung kamatis. So, I just let them be. Saka kung gusto nila, they can have some. Hindi naman nila mauubos yan. So, yan. So, this one, I have to take away. Ito. To take this out. Kasi ang haba-haba na. So, yan. Ang bango. It really smells nice. So, yan. Ang daming bunga. See? So, I have to go kasi I have to go. Kasi babalik naman yung yung tamsi. So, yan. So, ginawa ko lang to. Para maghang. If there's a will, there's always a way. So, hahanap ka talaga ng paraan para makatanim. So, yan ito. I already cut this. Akala ko namatay na. But then, iniwan ko yung branch, yung stem, at saka namunga ulit. So, it has one for sure na kamatis. So, yan. O, andyan na naman siya. Hi! Pabalik naman siya ulit. Hello! O, diba? Oh, sorry. Hi! Hello! See, she doesn't, not bother of my presence. Pabalik-balik. Yan. So, it's satisfying to see that they are very comfortable here sa balcony ko. I cleaned it. Kasi nakakahiya naman sa kanila, no, na hindi malinis yung sahig. So, yan. It's very nice. Ang init na. It's getting hot. So, yung isang klase ng ibon, siya, it's making its nest dito sa hagdan, in my ladder. There. Nagtatago sila. Because usually, yung mga yung black na mga ibon, they are carnivorous. They would go and eat or try to kill the baby birds so that they will win the food chain. Kung minsan hindi naman nila kinakain, they just drop the eggs and then let it go or let it be. So yan. Everything is well. Construction is still going on. Yan. Walang pasok. But it's okay. It's yung holiday nila at the moment. Yan. So, we're going to wait until the bird will come back again. It will come back. And then continue building its nest. Sometimes I would sit here. This is one of my favorite place to sit. Just tambay lang, doing nothing, especially in the morning or late in the afternoon, or kung minsan sa gabi, you just sit here and just relax. So yan. So you wait until it comes back, the bird. Kung minsan it's like it's asking permission na if it can build its nest there. Oh, andyan na siya. Oh, diba? Hello! Hindi na, alis na naman. Oh, diba? At saka sa gabi naman, merong ano dito. Merong dalawang lizards. Yan, they are, ano, if I turn on the light, they are so happy because there's a lot of small butterfly or moth. Then yun yung kinakain nila. So they are happy that I turn on the light in the evening so that they can eat, they can catch their food. So yan. Hindi, mabalik na naman ulit. That is, everyday parang nasa jungle ka kasi ang dami nila dito. Yan, nandiyan lang. Balik naman siya ulit. Hello! Ah, dalawa sila. Yung ano, yung the blue one is the male. And then ito, yung babae. So sometimes, like most of the work is done by the female bird. Yan. And then the blue bird or the male bird would come here and check on the work of the female bird and try to, parang ano siya, siya yung chief na engineer, checking on the nest if everything is okay, and then lilipad ulit. So yan. So let's wait until it comes back again. So kung minsan parang ano, maraming ibon that you can hear early in the morning, ang ingay-ingay nila. Yan. Last one. Ito tambak. Tagal naman. Maybe it's looking for a piece of leaf or stick to put in there. Sometimes I would whistle. Then it will make it sound back also. Hindi na bumalik. Nahiya siguro. So I guess that's it for now kasi hindi na bumalik. Thanks for watching and take care everybody. Bye-bye.